Hey guys, welcome back. Today it's a beautiful hot day here at the ranch. I'm excited about this video. Today we are going to do another Watch Wednesday on the 1962 Timex Viscount. This watch, I received it a lot and it was tore up, beat up. Love these old watches like this. This is a self-wind automatic, no battery needed, no battery change. I'll go into that in the video a little bit. I love these watches because these are old time watches built really well. These are the kind of watches my grandfather used to wear, and that's back, you know, back when men worked a little harder than they do today, let's put it that way. But yeah, awesome watch. Let's get into it. Okay guys, here we go. The 1962 Timex Viscount self-wind automatic watch. Probably one of the things that you're really going to want to know about these is this area down here at the 6 o'clock area. Those numbers will help you identify and date your watch. So I'm going to see if I can get a close-up thrown in here so you can see what that looks like, and then I'll leave a link in the description to tell you, how you go about identifying. But this one, this is not the original band. This one came off of probably late 80s, 90s watch. Just one I had laying around. As you can see, I have lots of bands from all the watches I collect. But I like this band on it. The previous band I would have kept, but it was broken in between some of the links here. So that's how we ended up with this band. Do like this band. What's unique about it is the curve here where it comes into the watch case. A lot of them are straight with a gap in there, but that one's got it still has a gap, but it's curved. Some of the unique features, there are non-numeric hour marks, except for the 12 and the 6. We do have, I don't know if we call those iridescent or glowing dots around the hours and on the hands. This is, like I said, a self-wind, so no need to change a battery. If we look at the back, let's see if we can get a look at the back. But you can tell there's no real, I'll call convenient way, either via the notches to turn or an end to pop up. There is a little one there, but you know that's in case you want to service the watch. But it does tell you right here, self-wind. All stainless, waterproof. I love the dial on this one. It's almost like a bronze, light bronze colored, an off-white. Looks great on the wrist. This did not come to me like this. I wish I had some more video of that, but I don't, unfortunately. This came in the first batch of watches I purchased, and it was rough. But I went through a little bit of a process. It didn't take me long, maybe about an hour, to get this cleaned up, buffed up. It cleans. It's amazing how easy some of these clean up. That's what I keep saying is take your watch off, look at it now, go clean it up, because you'll be amazed at how new it looks. People kind of treat watches as disposable, and there's really no need for that. But yeah, dial is absolutely beautiful. I think a lot of people get these mixed up with the Marlins. I think the Marlins have a little more detail on the dial, more numbers, etc. You can also identify it, like I said, by those pictures down below. But absolutely love this watch. Going to hang on to this one, keep it as part of the collection. I mean, look at that crystal. It is smooth, hardly any scratches. 60-year-old watch. Yeah, talk about that's when they really used to make things like they used to. Anyway, there's some of the details. Let's find the caliper real quick. I'm going to take the band width, the bracelet width right here. That's about 16. So up here at the lug, it's probably going to be around an 18. Looks like it comes out a little bit. Transitions. Yeah, that's going to be about an 18. I can't quite get it in there. Yeah. And then let's go with the case size. Case is about a 34 millimeter. And let's go lug to lug. It does have some nice long lugs on it, doesn't it? And that's about 38 millimeters. So there's the sizes of it. Again, beautiful watch. Look at that dial. And it's, you know, you can wind it. You know, in the olden days, let me just throw this one in real quick. Back in the olden days, the way they would get these watches running a lot is you'd give it a couple winds, and then you'd sit here and you'd do this arc movement back and forth for, you know, 30, 40 seconds, a minute, and that would get the watch running. You set the time and go about your day. So there's a little weight in there that I think they call it a balance weight. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that one. But it'll spin back and forth, and if you move it, you can feel that thing kind of move back and forth, and that's how it winds the watch. Love this watch. Not for sale. I think that's all we're gonna cover on this. You got any questions about this? Leave it alone. Let's start a conversation about this one. I could talk about this for a while. Anything else you think I need to look up or any questions about, let me know. Hey, that's all we have for today, guys. Again, adding this one to the collection. Love this thing. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about these. Whether you have any of these, or you've seen these, or what you remember about these. That's all we have. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you guys. Like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff, and we will see you next time.